In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords everywhere to Chrome. By the end, you'll have the extension installed, pinned, and ready to help you research keywords right from your browser. First, open Google Chrome. We're heading to the Chrome Web Store, which is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions. You can get there by typing Chrome Web Store into your address bar and selecting the official result, or by navigating directly if it's already bookmarked. Once you're on the store's homepage, look for the search box in the top left corner. Type Keywords Everywhere and press Enter. The extension you want is listed as Keywords Everywhere, Keyword Tool. That exact name is important because it helps you confirm you're installing the legitimate extension. Next, click on Keywords Everywhere, Keyword Tool to open its page. Here, you'll see details like screenshots, ratings, and a description. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to add it. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install it automatically, and you might see a brief message in the top right corner confirming it's been added. If you don't see the icon immediately, don't worry. By default, new extensions may be tucked away in the Extensions menu. To keep it handy, let's pin the extension so it's always visible. Look to the top right of Chrome for the small puzzle piece icon labeled Extensions. Click it to open your list of installed extensions. Find Keywords Everywhere, then click the pin icon next to it. You should now see the Keywords Everywhere icon appear in your Chrome toolbar, which makes it easy to access whenever you're researching. A few important notes before you start using it. Some of the keyword data features require paid credits. The basic installation is quick, but certain metrics and widgets use credits when they load data. Users have reported that credits can be consumed faster if you have many widgets enabled at once. To keep control of your usage, start with only the features you really need and enable additional widgets gradually as you go. And most importantly, always install from the official Chrome Web Store listing. Avoid any third-party download sites and double-check that the URL is the official Chrome Web Store and the name matches exactly. That's it. You've installed Keywords Everywhere, pinned it for easy access, and you know what to expect with credits. You're ready to start exploring keyword data right from your Chrome browser.